All right, situation B here is talking about this technological company called Expo Grow that's growing very fast. The latest report on the company said that so far the number of employees, which we're going to call Y, could be found by using the equation 3 times 4 to the x, where x represents the number of years since the company was founded. So x is the number of years and Y is our number of employees. So how many people founded this company? Well, in order to figure that out, we're going to have to use x as 0 will give us year 0. That'll give us the year the company was founded. So I'm going to plug in 3 times 4 to the 0, and that's going to give me how many employees there were when the company was founded. So that would be 3 times, now 4 to the 0 power is just 1. So that means there were 3 employees. So 3 employees founded the country, or founded the company, not country, founded the company. How can the growth of this company be described? Well, it looks like every year we multiply the previous year by 4. So each year we have 4 times the number of employees as the previous year. All right, and that's how we would describe our growth. So there's how many people founded the company, and that's how we would describe our growth.